This is Azuki in 1 minute. Azuki is a collection of 10,000 anime-style avatars designed by Arnold Tsang and Andrew Howe from Chiru Labs. Tsang is most famous for his work as the lead character designer on Overwatch by Activision Blizzard, a game that boasts over 60 million registered players worldwide, whereas Howe is most famous for his work on the Street Fighter comics. However, the team behind this NFT are keen to stress that Azuki is a brand and not just a piece of high-quality art. Holders will receive access to the Garden, a place where art, music, and community fuse together to create magic. This project starts with NFT drops, clothing collaborations, and live events. Future plans remain very tight-lipped, with Chiru Labs only releasing limited information. However, 3D art, gaming integrations, and record label deals are all being explored as Azuki develops its community and metaverse identity. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Azuki. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.